How to make money online without investment sitting at home. Honestly, there are hundreds of ways. When you look online, you will find legit sources along with many that are scams. I highly recommend you to stay away from programs that ask you to make the initial investment to start using their money making formula. Here I am sharing how to earn money online, which is easy to use and legit at the same time. Few of them will require you to have certain skills like good communications, good writing abilities, etc. Number 1, sell your skills on Fiverr. Become a virtual assistant. Number 3, offer article writing service. Number 4, freelancing. Number 5, start a profitable blogs. Number 6, create YouTube videos or a channel. Number 7, guest posting for your clients. Number 8, affiliate marketing. Number 9, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Number 10, online paid surveys. Number 11, become a broker for webmaster and website owners. Number 12, became a transcriptions freelancer. Now we discuss about one by one from here. Number 1, sell your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is the best place to make the money online for free. This website lets you offer any kind of services that you are good at and earn money from it. Getting started with Fiverr is easy and it is designed for users like you who are willing to work from home and make money. There are many success stories on Fiverr, and once you browse their marketplace, you could find a lot of ideas that would help you get started. The best part, this is absolutely free and one of the killer ways to make money online without any investment. Number 2, become a virtual assistant. This is another best way to earn money by sitting at home as the number of slopeners are increasing, so it demands for a virtual assistant's job just like a personal assistant but done virtually. The job could be like doing research work, replying to emails, writing content or ad copies, moderating comments. On an average, a virtual assistant job could help you earn anywhere between 2 to 30 US dollar every hour. Now discussed about third point, offer article writing services. Bloggers and webmasters are always looking for new and unique content for their blogs and websites. To become an articles writer, all you need to good writing skills and you should be able to scout the internet to find the right information. This is one of the best ways to make money online without paying anything. Here is the list of websites which pay for writing out surely, ProBloggers job board, freelancers, constant content, Upwork, Craigslist. You will be paid 2 to 100 US dollar per article depending on the word requirements and qualities. Now discuss about the fourth point, freelancing. Whether you are a graphic designer or a finance manager, a writer or a homemaker, freelancing is for you. You just need to think about what you are good at and you can make your living. You can be your boss, can work from anywhere you like and work according to your time's schedule. Simply sign up for freelancing jobs on sites like Guru, Upwork, people per hours, Fiverr, etc. Apply for a relevant category and that is you are good to go. Now discuss about the 5 points. Start a profitable blogs. Set up blogs for money. If you are passionate about the writing and want to share your thoughts, emotions and learnings with pupils, blogging is a great option for you. You don't have to be tech savvy or a computer geek to start your journey online. Here is an important story. The founder of this blog, Harsh Agarwal, met with an accident. He was unable to move out of bed for 6 months. It is the time he made blogging his full-time career, and now he is earning the more than 40,000 US dollar every month. You can read about his journey here and you would surprise to learn about the scope of blogging. You can learn a lot profitable blogging by reading short mold Milords. You can start earning within 2 to 3 months. It all depends on how much time, hard work and dedications is you willing to give. Now discuss about the 6th point. Create YouTube videos or channels. You can work from home. Investment required minimal. How many times have you spotted advertisements on YouTube videos? Until I got to know about the money making opportunities via YouTube, I never knew a normal users like you and I can earn income by uploading videos on YouTube. It does not have to be technical videos. It could be anything from funny to be serious one. However, the videos need to be originals. You can simply upload videos on YouTube and monetize it using AdSense. Discuss about the 7th point. Guest postings for your clients. Skill requires writing client instructions. Can be done from home. It can help you make a lot money. Guest posting has great benefits regarding traffics, exposures, credibilities and recognitions from search engines. Just imagine the amounts you can charge if you have caliber to get a guest post approved on Shout Milord. Your clients will pay you thousands of dollars. Now discuss about the 8 points. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the best way for anyone to start earning money online. This requires zero investments. You can use your blog or even your social media platform like Twitter, Facebook to promote and earn money. Learn about the affiliate marketing here. I know of bloggers earning thousands sitting at home just with affiliate marketing. Here is a post where you can see how much a person like you and me is earning from affiliate marketing. Number 5, very important, Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. Earn from the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It is 2020 and there is no doubt that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. Just like the dot-com bomb, Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies are at very basic stage, but if you spend some time working hard, you will earning a lot of monies. The best part is you can find most of the information online. I recommend you to spend the first few days learning about Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies as much as you can before you start investing in it. Since the market is new and a lot of people are getting in, you can expect a lot of growth in upcoming months or years. Online paid survey. This is the most common method for earning the quick bucks. Now let me explain how these online survey work. There are many survey companies that usually pay internet users for their opinions or views on their popular products and services. They send out free products or services to the contestants for their trying their products. If you are searching for an entertaining method to make money online, think about registering with a trustworthy survey company and go ahead. Now discuss about the 11th point. Become a broker for webmaster and website owners. Earn commissions by getting them clients who pay for advertisement. Join webmasters for forums and contacts it readers to get his kind of work. These are all free ways to make the money online and survive while you work on taking your blog to greater height. Personally, I would not recommend anything other than points 1, 2, and 4. Any other popular way to earn money is by helping someone sell their websites or domain. This is the big business, and with very successful sale, you can earn anywhere from 20 to 20,000 US dollars. Now, last one is become a transcription freelancer. As the number of podcast or videos content is increasing, so he is a demand of workforce for transcribing the audio into text format. There are services like Riv that let you work from home and make money with transcriptions freelancing gigs. Benefits of this work from home gig. Riv freelancing jobs allow you to work as much as little as you want whenever you want. Enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. Our vast network of customers means a steady stream of freelancing jobs to choose from.